Timu eziri kurenga muri 50 z'amakampani eziri mu Vision Group, KCB, Olive Farmers, Green Park n'izindi nizo zahayana mu mpaka z'omupira gw'ebigere ezambara Corporate League ezazanwe rizoba haceka Vision Group mizane 3 yasingaho gumwe erukutera Joint Medical Stores gore mwe hari 0 bita basingwa kaceka United na Cash General Hardware gore mwe hari 0
baruzimubira bwo kubanza kwa Cash General Hardware so tatwine kuininga bwo kwa kabiri kujya mu tutandikiraho tube turonderaho ubundo bubonera abo kantweta gobonero bwinji twenda kuwininga ekikopeki.
KCB Bank yasinga Absa goro mushanja haryemwe no barabe basingwa Mobs Staff gore mwe hari 0 babebembire kimeza echempakeza open category aba Olive Farmers bagumiza mukwerisa karungo barukusinga emizano yabo yona barukutera Equity Bank gori ibera hari 0 na Spotlight Saloon eiba Honda gori na hari 0 yo Green Park yatera Ajip Motel na Ntunga Health Workers gori ibera hari 0 rero yo Igongo yatera Fresh Uganda gori ibera haryemwe.
Performance ya Olive Farmers so far CMB kubanga fetu bade champion era tushashkwatide waguru.
Today is not a bad day, being our first outing. We have learned a lot. We have also done a bit of networking. We have seen what happens here, what you need to have, and how to prepare yourselves. So far, we have played 2 games. We played the first one in the morning. We just finished the second outing. We hope to do much better. The team is together. We're engaged. We're playing as a team. And so far so good.
Empira yakasheshe ninge empira yo kubanza first game yeture tangwi konka game winning eje twafuna yatamamana
empakeze nezo garaka mukwinda okweza kurukwija timu zirukhayana round ya kashatu nde Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West agachenchwire.